So there are diseases in which we should directly reach to an electrophysiologist. Means heart is having some condition in which we have to think that this condition need a direct attention by electrophysiologist. So what are those conditions? So there are some conditions like if you are getting frequent palpitations and the palpitation is happening without any cause. Abrupt palpitation when you are sitting, you are reading, suddenly it is started having. And palpitation is something which everybody can have. Provoked palpitation is one of the complaints. Means if you are having some fear factor, you are doing some activity which you are not accustomed, so that activity will certainly invite palpitation. Something जो आपकी कैपेसिटी के बाहर में है या फियर के कारण, मतलब सडनली आपको कोई एक एंजाइटी रिलेटेड फैक्टर दिया गया जिसमें आपको धड़कन स्टार्ट हो गई, मतलब बीटिंग बहुत फास्ट होगी, उस पाल्पिटेशन को वी कैन स्टिल इग्नोर. लेकिन आप कोई काम कर रहे हैं, सडनली आपकी हार्ट बीट 80 से 180 और 170 तक पहुंच जाती है या सडनली वो बढ़ती है, तो उसको हम लोग कहते हैं कि अनप्रोवोक्ड पाल्पिटेशन. और ये एक रिदम प्रॉब्लम का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट मैनिफेस्टेशन है. ये जब भी हो रहा है और सडनली बिना बताए आता है, कभी सोने के टाइम आ रहा है, कभी मॉर्निंग में आ रहा है, इसको कहते हैं अनप्रोवोक्ड पाल्पिटेशन, जो कि रिदम अपर चैम्बर लोअर चैम्बर किसी में कहीं ना कहीं इलेक्ट्रिकल प्रॉब्लम चल रहे रहते हैं, जिसको हम लोगों को डिटेक्ट करना होता है. एंड देयर द रोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोफिजियोलॉजिस्ट कम्स वेरी क्लियर. मीन्स अनप्रोवोक्ड पाल्पिटेशन इज द कंडीशन in which you can directly reach to the electrophysiologist. So it is electrical problem and they can identify by seeing the ECG when you are having palpitation and can treat and sometimes cure also. So this problem of palpitation needs a electrophysiologist. Second is giddiness as well as syncope, जिसको हम लोग fainting कहते हैं. So if the person is developing repeated fainting, most of the time they will go to the neurologist and their all the evaluation turn out to be normal. कि उनका CT किया गया, MRI किया गया, nerve conduction study किया गया, सब normal था, लेकिन उनकी बेहोशी चल रही है. So a lot of time the giddiness and syncope means fainting are mostly due to the rhythm problem, and there if your problem has not been resolved by a cardiologist or a neurologist, this type of complaints should be attended by a electrophysiologist. When the heart rate is going very fast or very slow and unpredictably at a particular window of time, you will get the giddiness. आपको कभी हार्ट रेट अगर 30 और 40 के बीच में आ जाती है, सडनली आपको गिडीनेस आता है, तो उसको हम लोगों को डॉक्यूमेंट करना होता है और उस डॉक्यूमेंटेशन पर आगे का ट्रीटमेंट होता है. समटाइम द हार्ट rate will be very fast around 170 180 and particularly in elderly patient they collapse. There the cause is again the rhythm problem, and just doing EP study or doing a particular ECG which we call as a ELR, extended loop recorder, we can pinpoint where the complaint is, why the complaints are coming and how to treat it, and again it may be curative also. If you are getting a family in which the heart rhythms problems are going on, we call it channelopathy, means कुछ ऐसी बीमारियां होती हैं जिसमें ब्रूगाडा हुआ, ARVD हुआ, ये कुछ रिदम प्रॉब्लम से जो कि हार्ट पूरी तरीके से नॉर्मल रहता है, बट द रिदम प्रॉब्लम इज ऑन गोइंग एंड इट नीड अ इवेल्युएशन बाय अ इलेक्ट्रोफिजियोलॉजिस्ट बाय द इको, कार्डिक MRI and sometime EP study, and ECG is one of the important document on which it can be labeled also. So if you are getting this type of problem in the family, you should meet a electrophysiologist. They can give the final solution for this type of problem. You may need medicine, you may need ablation, radio frequency ablation, and sometime you may be needing a device called AICD or CRT to prevent the sudden cardiac arrest if it has developed in the family or in the same patient. So these are the treatments and these are the complaints. If you are getting palpitation, if you are getting giddiness, if you are getting fainting, you can directly meet an electrophysiologist. Or if you are getting on and off profuse sweating without any reason with weakness, so this is also a manifestation of rhythm problem, you should meet an electrophysiologist. So electrophysiologists are the guardians of the rhythm problem. If you are feeling that type of complaint, please meet the nearest electrophysiologist and get evaluated and treated. Sometime your condition may be curable and you may come out of this rhythm problems which is leading to palpitation or giddiness. So thank you so much for watching till end, and if you are having any question and query, you can post in the comment box. Thank you.